Welcome my lovely subscribers and my lovely viewers. And today's video is about chicken wings. This weekend we're gonna have our Super Bowl here. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can prepare your chicken wing for your Super Bowl. So here I have 3 packs of chicken wings. I'm just gonna cut them up. Let me get my gloves. I forget my gloves. Just a second. Now I'm gonna cut up my chicken wings. I'm just gonna cut them in 2. And guys, this is very easy to do. You can just season them. You can season them from the night before. When you come from work in the night, you can season them. And in the morning, you just get up and look about them. Put them down. When it's time for Super Bowl, you put your oven on warm. And you put them in the oven, let them get to warm up and stuff. And then your chicken wing is ready. Your chicken wing ready for your Super Bowl, guys. Or if you're watching movie, you can do it also. If you're watching movie, you can prepare your chicken wings and you can watch your movie, you and your husband or your boyfriend or your kids. Or if you have movie night, you can prepare this. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wash my chicken wings. Get my some lime juice. I'll have to wash my chicken with lime juice and some vinegar. So guys, I'm gonna wash my chicken and come right back to you with the seasoning. Okay guys? Okay guys, so my chicken wings are finished washing and I kinda dry them out a little bit. So now I'm gonna add a dash of onion powder. That much. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna add some Maggi seasoning, all purpose. Just another little dash again. Not much. I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. I always cook with cayenne pepper. That's the spice and the black pepper. And a dash of black pepper also. Over here I'm gonna add some garlic plus. Another little dash. This one have a lot of dry spice and herbs. This I have ginger powder. Another little dash. And some oregano. Oregano is that? Yeah, just a little dash. Okay guys, so all my seasonings are here. I'm gonna get on my gloves. Oh, the smoked paprika. I forget it. I'm gonna add a dash of my smoked paprika. You can get this as Bulk Barn to buy. I buy mine at Bulk Barn. Just another little dash. It's for a little smoky earthy taste. So guys, now I'm gonna rub up my chicken and put it to marinate for a couple hours, and then I'm gonna come back and start frying them. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna rub it up. I'm gonna rub it up with all my love. And guys, don't put too much seasoning on the chicken, because remember you're gonna fry it and you don't want it to have burnt spots on the chicken meat. And sometimes you put too much seasoning, you're gonna see you have some, it's gonna burn. So guys, you can season it up like how I season it now. put it down, and then you in the morning you can get up and you fry them, or when it's close to Super Bowl, and you fry your wings and you get them ready with your chips or whatever else you're gonna eat while watching your game. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put it down and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, and I'm gonna come right back to you guys. Okay guys, so now my oil is hot. I just put a piece of garlic inside, so I'm gonna start putting in my wings now guys. And don't overcrowd the pan, please. Don't overcrowd the pan. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take out some of my wings. These ones, the darker ones. And guys, remember to like, share, and comment, please. Tell me where you're watching from, guys. Fresh set now guys. You see those ones take fry so fast because I didn't out of the pan. Okay guys, just put in where you can breathe so you can fry it fast. When you overcrowd it, it takes time. You don't fry it fast. Okay guys, pretty soon we're gonna finish. I'm making my sauce. Okay guys, so I have my last set taken out of the pot. My sauce is over there waiting, so I have to hurry up. So guys, remember to like, share, and comment, please. And tell me where you're watching us from, please. And I'm gonna pick up one of my subscribers. Oh, where she is again?
Netherlands.
In Netherlands.
CJ's Cooking.
CJ's Cooking. Big up you, my girl.
She also have a YouTube channel.
She's all yeah.
CJ's Cooking, yeah. You can go and check her out.
She cooks same Jamaican food like we do. So you can go check her out too and see.
So the chicken wings finished frying.
I'm making a sauce to go over the chicken wings. And I tell you guys what I have in here. I have some ketchup and some barbecue sauce and pepper flakes. Nothing too hard. Mind you burn yourself, huh? Okay guys, so I'm gonna add my chicken wing in a bigger bowl because I'm gonna add my sauce. I'm gonna add my sauce to my chicken wings, and I'm gonna plate them. And in my pot I have barbecue sauce and ketchup, please, and pepper flakes. So I'm gonna throw it over it. Okay guys, I'm gonna shake it up. It's hot. It's hot. So I'm gonna put them in my plate. So guys, you can have this with whatever you want. Some wedge, whatever, for your Super Bowl. Very easy to be done. Less than half an hour. Even if you're not a good cook, you can do this one. It's very easy. That's all you do. You make sure you have your Kleenex close by. Have your Kleenex close by to clean your hands so you don't make a mess. And guys, if you do this recipe, you give me a message in the comment section and tell me if you do this chicken wing for Super Bowl, or if you're gonna do it for a family movie night or whatever night, or games night, whatever night you have home. If you're gonna do it for that night, you'll leave me a message in the comment section, please, guys. And when I'm finished, I'm gonna throw all these gravy over it. So guys, this is my finished product of my fried chicken wings with barbecue sauce. So guys, you can do this for a Super Bowl, or you can do it for movie night at home with the kids. It will be all good.